Hello everyone, I'm Zhenxi, and this is my game, Dungeon Escape. The goal is to find the exit E before we running out of our HP point, and we can see the rule at the beginning. Each step costs 1 HP point, and inside the map there are potential trap, which would cause us to lose 10 HP. And once the player find the treasure, we would gain 10 HP and gain 20 score. And we can just simply click the enter to start the game. Once we get into the game, only the position of player P and the position of exit E is visible to the player, and we can see our HP point 100 at the beginning. However, behind that, there are an actual map that generated randomly may have the trap, treasures, or the save tiles, but we cannot see that at the beginning. Also, the position of P and E is randomly generated each round. So we can make a movement by clicking the WASD. For example, one to the right. Oh, we are really lucky. We found a treasure and we gained a point and HP point. Then, oh, this time is really unlucky. We lose 10 HP because this is a trap. Yeah, something interesting is you can see after we step onto the trap, the T is still at here. But once we step onto the treasure, it disappears because the treasure is actually giving the players benefit. Once the player have step onto the treasure, the player just take away this treasure, so they would disappear. Unlike the trap, which is always in the map. Oh, unlucky again. We find the treasure, 10 HP and 20 score. Yeah, we can move up. Yeah, treasure again. So we can find the exit. Yeah, so when we just successfully find the exit, it would display our victory message. You escape the dungeon and show our final score and total steps. We can just run this game again and I will show you more circumstance. Notice that this time the position of P and E is different than before. Treasure, trap, yeah. We can see that the trap lose our point, and if we continuously to step onto the trap, it will continuously lose our point and would cause us game over. If we just find the trap again and again, we would lose a lot of HP. And this time I can move. Instead of clicking the WASD one by one, we can actually click a bunch of them. This is also allowed in my game. For example, several steps to the right. Yes, and we can make several steps to the up. One to the right. Yes, and finally we exit the game. This is also allowed us to play this game really quickly. Yes, so thank you for watching my game. I hope you guys like it, and this is basically how my game is played.